Have you ever wondered what the future of electric vehicles might look like? It would imagine a sleek new model that combines speed, style, and innovative technology all in one package. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to stay updated on the latest EV news. Kia is gearing up to make a splash with its upcoming EV4, already taking pre-orders in Korea and planning a European debut later this year. Excitement is building as people anticipate its US launch scheduled for 2026. While the standard EV4 has caught attention, it's the high-performance GT variant that traders and enthusiasts are focusing on. The standard EV4 is described as an electric sedan that blends sporty aesthetics with practicality. Its broad stance and fastback design give it a modern, dynamic look. In South Korea, it starts at roughly 27,000 euros, with expected prices in Europe and North America around 31,500 to 36,000. But the real thrill lies in the EV4 GT. Kia has already shown its ability to produce powerful GT models like the EV6 GT, which boasts a stunning 576 horsepower. This beast can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, an impressive feat typically reserved for supercars. Could it challenge Tesla's Model 3 performance? Time will tell, but expectations are high. Recently, Spy Shots captured a near production EV4 GT near Kia's Innovation Hub in Korea. Inside, the cabin resembles the luxurious EV9 GT with some material tweaks on the seats. The dashboard will feature Kia's new CCNC infotainment system with dual 12.3-inch curved screens, one for the driver's gauges and the other for navigation and media. Design-wise, the EV4 GT will sport a bolder grille and larger wheels, emphasizing its sporty intent too. It's expected to feature all-wheel drive thanks to dual electric motors, enhancing grip and overall performance. It's a recipe for a car that's both quick and confident on the road. The regular EV4 offers 2 battery options, a 58.2 kilowatt hour pack with about 381 kilometers of range, and an 81.4 kilowatt hour version reaching around 533 kilometers. Industry insiders believe that the GT model will likely use the larger battery to maximize performance. In the US, the EV4 will include a North American charging standard port, allowing access to Tesla's supercharger network. Estimated EPA ranges are exciting, up to 531 kilometers for US models. Price projections suggest that the base EV4 could start around 31,500 euros, while the GT might fall between 45,000 and 49,600 euros. Considerably, lightheartedly, you might say Kia is trying to charge ahead in the EV race. Maybe the next model will come with turbocharged lightning bolts. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,